In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redesign any website. We'll do this using Framer, a powerful visual design tool that lets you bring an existing site into an editable canvas. This approach is great for learning design, prototyping a refresh, or testing ideas before you commit to a full rebuild. Start by opening the Framer website in your browser. Once the workspace loads, look for the Actions area in the interface. This is where Framer groups helpful tools that extend what you can do inside a project. Click Actions to open it, then choose Plugin. You'll see a set of plugins and a search field. In that search, type HTML to design. This is the plugin that converts a live web page into editable layers inside Framer, keeping the layout and structure so you can tweak it visually. Click the HTML to design plugin to open it. You'll get a field asking for a website address. Here, type or paste the full URL of the website you want to redesign. Make sure the link goes directly to the page you want to work with, like a home page or a specific landing page. Then click Import. Framer will fetch the page and translate its HTML into frames, text layers, images, and components you can move, restyle, and replace. This can take a moment depending on the complexity of the site. After the import finishes, you'll see the page laid out on your canvas. From here, feel free to redesign. Select any element to change fonts, colors, and spacing. Swap images with your own assets, or update text to refine the messaging. If the layout feels cramped, adjust padding and margins to open up the design. You can also reorganize sections by dragging groups or frames, helping you explore new hero arrangements, feature grids, or call-to-action placements without touching code. A few tips as you work. Keep an eye on consistency by reusing styles for headings and body text, and use a limited color palette that aligns with your brand or concept. Name your layers as you go so the design stays tidy and easy to navigate. If you're testing multiple directions, duplicate the imported page to create variations side by side. And remember, everything in Framer is non-destructive, so you can undo changes or revert ideas as you experiment. When you're done exploring, you'll have a redesigned version of the site right in your Framer project, ready to refine further, present to a team, or use as a blueprint for development. That's it. Open Framer, go to Actions, select Plugin, search and open HTML to design, enter the URL, click Import, and then make it your own.